revenge. A king had an orchard. Many monkeys used to live there. One day the royal priest was passing through the orchard. A naughty monkey made fun of him. The priest got angry and vowed to take revenge on all the monkeys. The monkey king got worried. He told the monkeys to leave the orchard as they were in danger. Many monkeys agreed and left, but a few stubborn ones did not leave. After many days, there was a fire in the royal stable. Many horses got in, injured in the fire. The king sought the royal priest's advice for a remedy. This was the priest's opportunity to take his revenge. He said to the king, "We can use monkey's fat to cure the injuries of the horses." The king gave order to kill all the monkeys living in the park and bring their fat. Thus, all those monkeys who had ignored the advice of their king died. The values of life. Once there was a rich man, but despite being rich, he always believed that happiness could be obtained by leading a good life. Money was not everything. He had a son. He wanted to teach his son the same thing. One day, his son, while playing, broke his toy. The son started crying. His father came and consoled him. Then he said to his son, "Do not cry over this broken toy. Things come and go in life, but the most important things in life are good health, truthfulness, and sincerity. Never give up these values ever in your life." The boy listened attentively to his father. He started leading a good life. When he grew up, he became very successful. He realized that his father's words were the reason behind his success. Thank you.